Hi, I'm Alicia Maples with Fix-A-Crack Windshield Repair and Replacement, and I am proud to announce that I am competing in the 2018 Auto Glass Week Windshield Repair Olympics. Dun, 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 dun.
And my name's Steve Maples, and I'm going to be competing in this year's Windshield Repair Olympics. So we will see how women rock repair.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Of Fix-A-Crack Windshield Repair and Replacement, along with this handsome guy, my husband here, Steven. And I'm part of the Women Rock Repair initiative because I think women are so capable of doing so much in this industry. Right now, women do a lot of things like the administrative work, answering the phones, the billing, the invoicing, and we are so capable of doing repairs. And that's what this initiative is all about. It's actually to bring awareness to female entrepreneurs about the fact that this is something that they can do, and it's so much fun. It's so much fun working with customers and making a difference in their lives by repairing their windshields. And also to highlight to employers, hey, don't just look towards men to be your repair technicians. Look at women. They have a unique skill set that will help you and help elevate your company. 5 years ago, Steven and I re-met. We've known each other since we were 13 years old. And I married into the glass business. And I have found myself learning more and more about this industry, and we went to Auto Glass Week. And we were at the awards ceremony, and it was so exciting, and Alfredo was competing, and Suzanne's husband was competing, and we kept looking at the finalists, and they were all men, and we just kind of looked at each other, and then there was the CSR competition, and it was only women. And I remember having this conversation saying, wait a minute, women can do more than just answer the phones. You know, women are capable of doing so much more.
We see in women something that we uniquely do not often see in men. Having someone with a kind face, a kind smile, a nice demeanor, the ability to work well with other people. We believe that a multifaceted company and a multifaceted industry actually adds value.
Hat tip to GlasWeld for starting this initiative and for encouraging this amongst our industry. We're really proud to be a part of it and to help. Because I'm so passionate about what we do, I hate it when I do this. We're saving lives. That's our mission. That's what we do.